Lord.
What's up, big dog?
What's going on?
Chilling.
Oh, we got you ready. Oh, you good. I bought an upgraded. We can't race now.
Huh?
We can't race now.
I'll race you on my low map.
Nah, you 100% faster than me now.
Done this.
So John over here used to have a 370Z. We were always talking about like running each other. We tried a couple times, but there was traffic, so he didn't really get like a good fair run. And now he bought a full bolt-on GTR. I don't wanna run anymore, cause I just. What's up, son? Chilling.
Good stuff.
Everybody pulling up. Appreciate the new hoodie. Let's talk about your brand.
Hey guys, so this is Aqualinity. It's basically a brand spreading kindness. So, check us out. We love to spread kindness in the world, and we just love to help people. That's one of my biggest things, and that's what I cherish to do.
But I'll gladly wear this. Appreciate that. Y'all check out his website, Instagram, all that. Post it all right here. And yeah, spread kindness throughout the world. What's up, man?
Nothing.
Hey, I got a camera on me at all times.
I love that it's so small. It's so cool. Yeah, we got everybody from Gwinnett County here today.
Everybody just pulling up today.
Got a little bit of variety of everything.
Yeah, call them, let me know.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm at GMG Automotive because I'm tackling some exhaust leaks. Car is having exhaust leaks, keeps sending my car in limp mode. We're gonna put the car in the air, go over it, see what we can find. Simple video, right? So the leak is like mainly
Here and here.
yeah, it's all over the place. It's you can see it.
It's leaking out here too.
Yeah, all white. I'll send you.
Why don't
Yeah,
we,
you
why
can
don't
see
we
it
lift it up or start it and lift it up so we can listen? Or you don't have a remote start?
No.
Okay, let me get you. Yeah, I heard some of them here.
Yeah. Feel this one over here. Look, feel the air from over here.
This is what we can do. Put your hand on the outside. Go all the way up. You'll feel it. Keep going.
Oh, fuck.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
You still ain't find a light.
Yep. Look at that. It's supposed to be an exhaust gasket. Why am I looking straight through it? Should not be able to do that.
All right, well, cool. I can hammer this back out for you.
Yeah, round that out a little bit.
And then we'll just go through, we'll put on the welding table and get all the holes filled up real quick. And then I'll measure the piping. And then I'll just figure out kind of roughly off of this how many bends and straights I need. Then I can give you a price on it.
So we know this is 100% one of the problems of the exhaust leaks. I mainly have the problem when I'm decelerating. When I'm decelerating, they say that it sucks in air and it sends the fresh air, to my oxygen sensor and puts me in a limp mode. So we need to figure something out. I can't buy these local. That's the problem. So I'm stuck with them today, and we'll figure it out. But for right now, he's taking my mid-pipe over there. He's going to find every little pinhole, because you can see black spots where the water drips from exhaust leaks. And he's just going to weld, quick weld the little spots and get that cleaned up. And then later on, we'll probably just build a full mid-pipe. Here's SC, Jesus Christ. I never wore a welding helmet before, and this has, what was it, auto what?
Auto darkening.
Auto darkening, so when it welds, everything else in the view gets black, and then all you can see is the welds. Check this out. I'm gonna see if the camera catches it.
Well, it doesn't like full passes, so we're just gonna have to fill where we can.
I always got the advanced auto. They don't have our gasket in stock, but he always finds gaskets that will work, so we're gonna see if we can find something. It always goes in the back. Yeah, see? Look at that. I already got. Here's an old one. This is for some Chevy, but it's about the same size. We could probably just use this.
But the NASA one looks a lot thinner, the body of it. You know what I'm saying? Because the flare of your lip is not that big. So we might have cut off the back of it, because it's got metal in the back. I can cut that off. Mm-hmm. The blue ones are definitely no-go. Give me the blue ones.
Yeah.
Those are going to go in the water pump one. Sorry. Okay, let me see what else I got. Don't worry, I got like 15 more folders to go through. This is what you do, you know? You come over here and you get both of them, and you just go through until you find them. Oh, there's like a flat ring. That's kind of crazy looking. With that one, we're going to modify it. What's the problem here? I think we're gonna have to pull that ring out, bro. It's tight as shit, yeah.
Yeah, that's how the other one was, the OEM one. It was tight as shit putting on there. It didn't go into place until I started tightening it.
I just don't like the ring sticking out in the back because it won't sit flush against that.
Yeah.
So I think we need to pull it out. Honestly. Okay. So I got the ring out. Let me get some pliers. People, quit using this trash. I mean, look at that. Tell me that it's like diameter is perfect. I mean, the cone is a little bit different, but you still have the starting point of it. It's almost perfect.
Damn.
So this might actually outlast this.
Yeah.
And then all you other M3 people can use this gasket instead of this gasket. This you change this every 5 years and change that one every 6 months.
Damn, what car was this for?
All right, I'm gonna.
At least got a part number.
Yeah. Get Look at the thing. It's a tiny bit too big, but I think that once
it's tight.
well, yeah, once we get it tight, it's going to be perfect because it's going to center itself and smash it. Because the ceiling is between the back of this and the front of it, not necessarily in the pipe. Right. What do you think? You go with that?
That's good.
Where's yours at?
Right in my hand.
Oh, now I got to rip this down. You know another really cool thing that probably would help too, centering it? Oh no, that's why you get stuck, because this is the size of the, and it's got that step. That's the problem. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where's your flange at?
Right there.
Yeah. So the flange one goes on like this? Mm-hmm. Dope, and bro.
Right against the flange. Perfect.
That should work great. I hope so. I mean, it's a cheap gamble. You know? It's way better than what you got. So. No, I'll put the sensors in. The sensors. These are like instantly better. Thicker. A lot thicker. I mean, look at that though. Like, even if it boulders out like that, still think when you squish it, it still gives you more seal. So, I don't know. They said it's doing some R&D.
Yeah.
It's not much money to gamble for it to not work. This is the problem that nobody ever does this, dude. This is how you ruin O2 sensors, by not lubricating threads that get hot. Anti-seize is your best friend on wheel studs, O2 sensors. And what's funny is people still, even today, like, I don't care how many shops I've worked at, when you buy an O2 sensor, it comes with a pack of anti-seize. So I don't understand why people just refuse to use it still. And, you know, especially if you pull especially aftermarket cars, how many times you pull your O2 sensors out of these things, you know? A lot. So
Yeah.
it just only makes sense to, you know, lube your threads. You hear when I unscrew, it was like it sounded like an old rickety chair or a door. It was gross. Come on.
Better?
I don't feel anything on this side. I feel a little bit over here. Well, I can't remember if it was that bad or not.
Kinda.
I don't feel anything over here. You?
Yeah, that side's good.
Yeah, a lot of. Is this the 85 or pump gas?
85.
Okay. A lot of condensation. Yeah, see, there's a little pinhole there. That's my exhaust cooler.
It's probably going on that side because that's the side that's not welded.
It's true.
Yeah, so you can only
there's nothing pushing down.
yeah, you can only clamp it to the pipes, but you can't really hold it in place. So I think that's why that side keeps leaking. A factory defect BMW.
So essentially, it's a 408 stroker with an LS3 factory setup. Started out with the factory LS3. Got a hard blower. I built the experiment tank, but a customer experiment tank for it. Dual back radiator. We did all this cooling system with fan setup.
Right.
We're looking inside of it.
Oh my God.
Inside's really nice setup. Got a nice little floor pan, all the fuses, sequential gearbox, 6-speed, AEM stack cluster for it. It's on a Elite ECU with an AEM cluster. You know, some super clean spark plugs.
That's wild.
Hey, watch the wing.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
That is insane.
That's what a $100,000 240 basically is right there. You know, like, so. Oh, Johnny Tran's here.
That's good. That's good. Okay, you're good to go.
Good to go?
Yeah, you're good.
It's on the 85, right?
Yep.
Alright. This is not my first time driving a full bolt on the 85 GTR, but I want to see if it's how it compares to Nix. Remember I drove Nix for the channel. 40 roll, full bolt on the 85 GTR. Cut on all the lights so you can see me. Oh God. I couldn't breathe. Holy sh! No. Okay. This one's faster. This one has to be faster. Nick, you getting gapped. Holy shit. This thing is, what the hell? What just happened? Okay, I did nicks from a 40 roll. Maybe that's why, maybe that's the advantage. I'm at a 40 roll now. Now we're really seeing. Nah, this one's faster. This one's faster. I swear to God, this one's faster. My neck, bro. I'm suing this man. This man just hurt my neck, man. Jesus Christ, dude. This is stupid. GTRs are stupid, man. Like a good stupid. Y'all, take these off the road. These need to be banned in the US. This car is too fast. Alright guys, back in my car now. Battery died while I was in the GTR, which I figured was about to happen. Sorry my episode didn't have a good ending. We're still chasing exhaust leaks. We're just got to build a custom exhaust. The little gaskets we found, they are working better. I haven't like hit limp mode or anything, but you can still hear it, especially on one side. So, but it's a start. So, see you guys next time. What's going on, guys? Real quick message for the M3 guys. The gaskets are working. I filmed on Saturday. It's now Wednesday on my way to work. I'm sitting in traffic. I have no check engine light. The check engine light went away. I had check engine lights every time I would go into limp mode for misfire codes, and I no longer have any misfire codes. They just kind of vanished. So the gaskets are working. They're Chevy gaskets. Part number was 6718, I think. I'll post pictures of before and after, and this is actually my second time replacing the OEM gaskets, so maybe the Chevy gaskets will be better than the BMW OEM. I don't know why they keep blowing out, but here we are. So far they're working. So this is usually where it goes into limp mode when I'm decelerating, especially since I sit in traffic a lot. It's a daily driver. Usually when I get down to about here, that's when it goes into limp mode and I gotta restart my car. So the only way I can avoid it is if I just clutch in while I'm slowing down, and then I just have to rev it and put it back into gear, and that's really annoying too. Probably not good for my clutch. But Chevy exhaust gaskets are working.